victory?
Yes. Yes, because the mere fact that the body approved, the court approved for the remanding or the returning of the articles of impeachment to the House of Representatives is a manifestation that they agree to my privileged speech that the articles of impeachment, the impeachment complaint is constitutionally infirm.
Pero sir, bakit pumayag ka? Ang sabi kasi ni Senator Rodriguez, this is not naman to dismissal eh. So, bakit hindi ka na outright dismissal? Bakit meron pang ganito kayo sa iniwasan lang yung term dismissal?
You should not listen to the explanation. The proponent of the amendment to my motion. Klaro na siya yung explain na naman. Nakikinig kayo? More or less. More or less. But very clear mo doon na returning without dismissing. Ang nakasabi doon sa amendment, di ba? Pero hindi dismiss. Pero ganun. Para sa akin, ha? Kasi you have to get first the House of Representatives should attest that they did not violate the 1-year bar rule, meaning no multiple impeachment complaints can be filed within 1 year. I doubt if they can attest to that. Tingnan natin ano ang attestation na number 2, they should get the communication or whatever from the 20th Congress that they are willing to continue the impeachment. So kailan lang makukuha yan? Once the 20th Congress is alive and kicking. Right now, there's no 28th Congress.